Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So today is Friday around 5:42 a.m. and I got a call from crew scheduling around 5:20 letting me know that I have returned to Punta Cana, Dominican Republic today. So today we're gonna have a quick vlog / follow with me of the day in the life of a flight attendant for a Punta Cana turn. All right, let's get started. Okay guys, so this is the hair of the day. We have a little pin back here, some loose curl waves that I'm hoping will fall soon. Makeup. I just need to put on my uniform, add my red lip, and be out the door. So if you guys want a tutorial on this makeup look, let me know. I will do a close-up later when the full look is together. But let's get dressed. We're going to Punta Cana, ew. Okay guys, this is my finished look. How we feeling? Got scarf, badge on. We're ready to head out the door. Let's go. Okay guys, I got some good news and some bad news. The good news is I'm headed to Punta Cana, Dominican Republic this morning. The bad news is it's a turn. I don't get to stay, but it's all good. It's a fun flight. Excited to see what. Okay guys, so I'm currently in my car now and I just GPSed it and it's about like an hour and 5 minutes right now with traffic to my airport. So I think I'm gonna treat myself to a little Starbucks before and then hit the road to Philly. So yeah, let's go get some Starbucks. Get a matcha lemonade. I was conflicted, if I wanted a matcha lemonade or a caramel macchiato. I usually get those iced, but I'm not that tired right now. It's probably gonna bite me later because I'll probably definitely get tired later, but so far I have this matcha lemonade, and then I also got a bacon Gouda breakfast sandwich. Those are literally my favorites, so let's head to Philly.
Blood tails on me, shout it, want that wave, I'm tripping Cartier, put a gold bird on you, that's presenting.
Okay guys, it's about 8:30. I have about an hour before I have to clock in. I'm just waiting for my shuttle to get here to take me to the airport so I can check in at the crew room. Luckily for airport crew members, you have what's called KCM, so I get to kind of like skip through the security lines and go through TSA a lot quicker. So that's definitely a perk of the job. I love that. You can also use it when you're not flying. The only thing is I think like the liquids are a little bit different when you're out of uniform. But yes, just waiting for the shuttle so I can clock in. I think I'm also going to try to get me a book. I left my book at home on accident because I think it's a pretty long flight. I'm not sure exactly, but I'll definitely check when I get in the crew room. So I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Hello guys, I am tired, very tired, but I finally made it back to my car. Made it back. It's about 8:16. I've gone through customs, made it to the airport. Now I'm back in my car. I think I'm gonna stop at Wawa to get some coffee and also pee. I have about an hour drive ahead of me, so I'll catch up with you guys later. Hey guys, it's me back again. I am finally home. It's about 9:50 at night and I got home maybe about 20 minutes ago. As you can see, I'm sitting in front of my ring light, so I did go ahead and shoot a quick video of what's in my tote bag. I'll have that linked down below. Guys, I'm gonna get in the shower and take it down. It's been a long day. I'm back on call at 0600 hours, I believe. So I'm exhausted. I don't even think I'm going to eat anything tonight, honestly. I just want to get in the bed and take this makeup off. Speaking of makeup, if you guys want a tutorial of this look, please let me know down below. I love you guys so much. I hope to see you in the next vlog. Let me know if you have any other video suggestions. I'll see you later, guys. Bye.